In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo refund pending too long. So if your refund is pending too long, that may be because it actually is requested by merchant. So they will have time to review their transaction that you actually asked for a refund with. So it may see your money pending before it's available for use when you requested a refund. So for this case, the time frame for refunds will be processed and applied to your Venmo account and vary per merchant. So you can release the pending incoming transfer or refund to your account for around 30 minutes. And if it actually exceeds that, you can head over and then contact Venmo. So you can actually head over and then get some help with the refund transaction that you're actually getting. So for this case, just wait it out and see if it actually will be released. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.